Strict Keto Diet. A comprehensive guide to success. The keto diet has become famous for weight loss and health improvement in recent years. However, a strict keto diet may be the key to maximizing its benefits. Understanding the strict keto diet. The strict keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that aims to induce ketosis, a metabolic state in which the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Limit carbohydrate intake to 20-50 grams daily while consuming ample fats and moderate protein to achieve and maintain ketosis. Critical components of a strict keto diet. High fat intake. Approximately 70–75% of your daily caloric intake should come from healthy fats. These include avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, and fatty cuts of meat. Moderate protein intake. Protein should comprise 20–25% of your daily intake. Opt for lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy. Low carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates should be limited to 5–10% of your daily intake. Focus on non-starchy vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Benefits of a strict keto diet. Weight loss. The strict keto diet is highly effective for weight loss. Reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption shifts the body's primary energy from glucose to ketones, leading to more efficient fat burning. Improved mental clarity and focus. Ketones, the byproducts of fat breakdown, are a potent energy source for the brain. Many individuals report enhanced mental clarity and cognitive function when in ketosis. Better blood sugar control. A strict keto diet can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a beneficial approach for individuals with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. Enhanced energy levels. A strict keto diet can help prevent energy crashes and sustain consistent energy levels throughout the day by stabilizing blood sugar levels and providing a steady energy supply from fats. Reduced inflammation. The strict keto diet can reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. Challenges of a strict keto diet. While the strict keto diet offers numerous benefits, it also presents specific challenges that need to be addressed for long-term success. Keto flu. When transitioning to a strict keto diet, some individuals may experience symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, nausea, and irritability, commonly referred to as the keto flu. These symptoms typically subside within a week as the body adapts to ketosis. Nutrient deficiencies. Due to the restrictive nature of the diet, there's a risk of nutrient deficiencies, particularly in vitamins and minerals found in higher carb foods. Ensuring a varied intake of low-carb vegetables and considering supplements can mitigate this risk. Social and lifestyle constraints. Maintaining a strict keto diet can be challenging in social settings and while dining out. Planning and finding keto-friendly alternatives can help navigate these situations. Sustainability. The strict keto diet requires significant dietary changes and discipline. Finding a balance that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences is crucial for long-term adherence. Strategies for success on a strict keto diet. Meal planning and preparation. Planning your meals can help you stay within your daily carbohydrate limits and avoid temptations. Meal prepping can also save time and make it easier to stick to your diet. Tracking macros. Using apps or journals to track your macronutrient intake can provide valuable insights and help you stay on track. Aim to keep your carb intake low, fat intake high, and protein intake moderate. Staying hydrated. Proper hydration is essential, especially when starting a strict keto diet. Drinking plenty of water and considering electrolyte supplements can help prevent dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. Incorporating exercise. Regular physical activity can enhance the benefits of a strict keto diet by boosting metabolism and promoting overall health. Focus on aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts. Finding support. Joining a community or finding a keto buddy can provide motivation, support, and valuable tips. Sharing your journey with others can make the process more enjoyable and sustainable. Sample meal plan for a strict keto diet. Breakfast. Keto omelet. Eggs, spinach, cheese, and avocado cooked in butter. Bulletproof coffee. Coffee blended with unsalted butter and MCT oil. Lunch grilled chicken salad. This salad features mixed greens, grilled chicken, avocado, olives, and a dressing of olive oil and vinegar. Keto smoothie. Spinach, kale, cucumber, avocado, and a splash of almond milk. Dinner baked salmon. Salmon fillet with roasted Brussels sprouts and cauliflower rice. Keto stir fry. Beef, bell peppers, broccoli, and zucchini sautéed in coconut oil. Snacks cheese and nuts. A handful of cheese cubes and mixed nuts. Keto fat bombs. Homemade snacks made from coconut oil, cocoa powder, and a natural sweetener. Conclusion: the strict keto diet is a powerful tool for weight loss, improving mental clarity, and enhancing overall health. By understanding the key components, benefits, challenges, and strategies for success, you can confidently embark on your keto journey and achieve your health goals. Stay disciplined, plan, and seek support to make your keto experience both enjoyable and sustainable.